Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Asia Santos. Come get in on this look. If you want to see how I got these results, just keep watching. So jumping straight into this video, I'm starting out on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. I'm taking off this microfiber towel that I just had my hair sitting in. Isn't this so cute? It's by LUS brand. Shout out to them. Love your curls, because I know I do. But I'll leave a link to this towel if you want to get one for yourself. So anyway, we're just going to go ahead and unravel our hair and just start sectioning off our parts. The products that I'm going to be using in this video, I'm going to put a link in the description box below, but one of the products that I'm using is the African Pride Moisture Miracle Curling Cream. This stuff is so good, you guys. Smells good, feels good. It probably tastes good. No, I'm just playing, you guys. But no, it's a great product. It works really well with my hair. And this is just the main product that I'm using for this braid out. So you guys, as you can see, I'm just taking a flexi rod on the ends of my hair, and this is just to make sure that the ends are nice and curly and they don't look like completely out of the ordinary with this braid out. But yeah, that's a great tip when you're doing a braid out. Ravel your ends. Also make sure your hair is fully detangled and moisturized. So yes, you guys, we are still braiding and plaiting and twisting. And I do want to mention, you guys, that this product, as you can see, there's a lot of excess product just sitting on my hair. And that, fortunately enough for me, will soak into my hair. I have really low porosity hair. If anyone else has that as well, you know, shout out to us, because we know the struggle. I will be doing a video on that really soon, but we're just going to fast forward this video some more because you kind of get the gist of how to do the braids. Alright, you guys, the moment of truth. Is time to take down these braids. And I know you already seen the final results, but this is still a crucial step when taking out a braid out. You want to make sure that you're using some kind of oil or your hands are just moisturized to prevent the frizz. And now we're just going to gently start unraveling our braids so we can get that bomb braid out. And this last final step of just plucking out your hair and using a pick, you don't have to do this, okay? This is optional to add more volume, you know, get the hair. I like it to be big, all right? So I'm gonna do this because this is my video, but you don't have to do this, you guys. Yes, honey. Who is she? Oh, it's me. So these are the final results, you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in a later video. Peace.